What up, YouTube? Today is December 23rd. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve, and I have not done any of my 2019 Marvel Funko Advent Calendar since the 17th. So today is just going to be a massive haul. We're just going to do all of them up until Christmas Eve. I'm going to do tomorrow's also today. Um, and we're just gonna, this is the final video for the advent calendar. Yeah, so I'm wearing my little Elfie Christmas hat, and I got a little Mickey with a Santa hat ugly sweater from Disney. So all right, so just to recap, I have Iron Man, Captain America, Red Hulk, Thor, uh, Spider-Man in the Venom suit, Loki. I have Venom, Daredevil, Black Widow, Miles Morales, Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, Black Panther, Thanos, Spider-Gwen, Captain Marvel, and Frank Castle, Punisher. All right, so let's do day 17, which I'm behind on. All right. Ooh. I have Vision. Nice. That's dope. All right. Let's see. Let's do day 18. Oop. Nice. Got Rocket. Take him out of there. Rocket. Nice. 19. Ooh, cool. I got Groot. Oop, Groot. That's cool. Look at that. You see that? Nice. Groot. That's cool. Groot was right after Rocket. Okay. 20. I don't know who this is. Oh, never mind. I think that's Star-Lord. Yeah. Alright, so the Guardians are coming out. Ooh, sick. This one's sick. Got Ultron. Nice. Okay. My favorite number, 22. Number 22. Ooh. It's kind of whack. Yeah. I have Iron Fist. Yeah, okay, maybe not so whack. It's kind of cool. He has a little, his fist is glowing. That's pretty dope. All right, now let's do today's, number 23. Today's the 23rd. Let's go. I want to say this is Gamora. I think that's Gamora. She has a little sword. Nice. Alright, that's pretty dope. And now, the final one. Tomorrow, Christmas Eve. You know, I'll probably be busy, so I want to do this last one. Alright. And the final one, I think that is She-Hulk. That's pretty dope. Nice. Wow, this has been pretty dope. This is really cool. You know, doing these advent calendar days. I know I missed a lot of days, but it's kind of cool doing the full haul. And yeah, I mean, I'm gonna do one last flip around here and just see the whole advent calendar for yourself. All right. See, there you go. All right. Thank you guys for watching. And all right. Maybe see you next year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.